When typing, it is significant that the backs of your hands always remain straight. In order for this to work, adopt the ideal sitting position as described in your seminar booklet. Your back is straight, your arms and legs are at an angle of 90 degrees. It is a disadvantage if you have to stretch out your arms. For example, when documents lie between you and the keyboard. Very quickly, your arms will start getting heavier and heavier, and it will not take long before you place them on the table. Your upper body automatically bends to a hump. The result? Your arms, and especially hands, become inflexible. Typing becomes strenuous, and in the long run, there is a risk of tendinitis, also known as typist's cramp. To reach the row of numbers, for example, you must continuously lift your hands. By comparison, that is like starting a 100-meter sprint from a sitting position. In doing so, you can't be fast. By the time you get out of your seat, your competitors will have already reached the finishing line. It is therefore better to place the documents above the keyboard so that you can pull the keyboard closer to you. Another small trick is position the keyboard as close as possible at the edge of your desk, then you won't be able to put your hands on the table. Now, your arms form a right angle, the ideal position. Take care not to pull your shoulders up, but to keep them relaxed. Your hands and fingers are much more flexible in this position, and you can reach the individual keys much faster. You can also screw your chair a little higher, even if your legs no longer form a right angle. In this way, your arms don't have the chance to rest on the table. Of course, it is better to use a footrest in this case. If it is difficult for you not to rest your arms on the table, imagine you have 2 pins under your forearms. Who would like to be pricked? So you better keep your forearms parallel to the table. If you straighten the backs of your hands and take up an ideal sitting position, you will soon be able to type more quickly.